the door. Please close the door. Please close the door. Please close the door. Please close the door.
This sound will forever be imprinted in our brains as we remember our winter escape to Bangalore this year. It went from annoying to familiar to homely. So welcome to our Bangalore apartment tour. Follow me as I show you around. When you first enter the apartment, there's a small hall where we hang our bags and pile shoes. I'm sure there's a more elegant solution to this, but it's practical and works well for this short-term stay. And a UPS in the corner. To the left is the rest of the apartment, entering the main living area. This is where we spend most of our time. It's where we play, eat, work, and hang out. When we moved in, the apartment was mostly empty. Some furniture was already there from Bharat's family, and we thought we could live on yoga mats alone. But ultimately we decided to rent the essentials for 3 months. Let me know in the comments if you'd be interested in a video about renting furniture. It's a new concept for me, but quite common here. I rearranged the furniture on the New Year's for a change, and I'm no feng shui master, but this seems a bit better than before. In this corner is where we keep a toy station for Sky. It's hard to keep it organized. I should rotate the toys, but he doesn't have that many here. And these are primarily books and sticker books and some little fidget toys. That's better. Okay, back to the apartment tour. At the end of this room, there's a small balcony. What I like the most about living here is the view. The trees here are so tall that even though we live on the 3rd floor, the branches are just within arm's reach. The net around the balcony prevents the pigeons from coming here and using it as their toilet. Wildlife that we have observed so far includes squirrels, pigeons, eagles, bats, and other birds. Well, not to mention ants, mosquitoes, butterflies, moths, and lizards and cockroaches. Okay, let's go back inside. Straight across is the kitchen, but let's see the bedrooms first. To the left is the first bedroom, which is currently used as a storage room. Nothing to see here. Next to it is a small bathroom, where we keep a toddler toilet seat and a stool, a bucket set which we use to shower. It's small, but big enough for one person at a time. To the right is the second bedroom, where we sleep. Wait. Give me a moment. Even though this is what our bedroom looks like most of the time, let's pretend for the sake of this video that I make our bed daily. That's better. So this is our always tidy bedroom where we sleep. And this is the view of the courtyard where you can see the swimming pool and treetops. And this is the other side of the room where we always keep a pile of clothes that are too dirty for a closet and too clean for a wash on a chair and hanging on the door. And this is a fan that we use to keep cool at night. Anyway, let's continue to the kitchen. This is the view from the kitchen. The parking garage is at the bottom, and all the windows you see are kitchens of other apartments. We have a washing machine in the corner and... Okay, wait again. Let me just put things away real quick. That's better. We keep the water bottle on the floor so Sky can reach it. The kitchen is nicely sized when only one person is using it. A bit crowded with 2 and impossible for 3 or more. Okay, let's go upstairs. On the top is a small bright hallway that leads onto a lovely and spacious terrace. I think I like this part of the apartment the most. The red and white among green treetops are just stunning. That's my dad doing his morning exercises in the shade. This is where we hang and dry our laundry, and the view. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see a video of a garden tour. There's a small playground, swimming pool and badminton court down there. My dad thinks that it's a paradise compared to the streets outside. This is the neighbors and this is us. If you go back inside, there's one more room here, where my parents currently sleep. There's a bigger bathroom attached to this room, and my dad said I shouldn't forget to mention that the entire building is likely built with concrete, so the echo is loud. The architect brilliantly designed the light shafts, but he or she didn't consider the sound that would bounce off the walls, so when one person in the building is using the bathroom, you hear them as if they're in the room with you, which you can imagine is very entertaining at best. And with that, we come to the end of the Bangalore apartment tour. Here's a recap of all the rooms. Thank you for watching, and let me know if you'd be interested in a video about renting furniture or a garden tour. See you next week. Bye!